Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from hot Margate, Florida. And today we got one more popular things we got going on. Let me show you that in a second. But if you have questions, that is our telephone number. You can call the store. You can ask for our general manager. John is behind the camera. Good job, John. And he can answer all the good questions with great answers. So that being said, come on over here. What do we have? Well, we have a Ram 1500 Lariat 4x4. And what did we do? Well, we did two things for this thing. Actually, we did three things. We did the Bedrug XLT mat, we did the Tuxedo T-slot rails, and we did the ArmorFlex folding hardcover by Undercover. Now, let's go ahead and look at a few things. We'll start with the cover. Now, this is a tri-fold cover that folds 3 times. It has a 5-year manufacturer warranty from Undercover. Now, if we install it for you, that 5-year does become 10 years. Very good. This also has a 400-pound capacity. That means you can actually put something on here. So with these T-slots, you can lay lumber on here. You got all these tie downs that came with the T-slots. You can secure it so it doesn't go anywhere. And because this is Linexed on here, this is going to be it won't be as easy to scratch as having something that's not Linexed. So this holds up a lot better if you're going to put stuff on here. So this is also a 4-layer cover, and I'm going to explain what that means. A 4-layer, basically you got a Linex on top. Underneath the Linux is a piece of aluminum, then they got insulation, and then another piece of aluminum. So you got 4 layers. Why is that good? Well, first of all, it adds more strength to it. It's like, again, it holds 400 pounds. And in Florida, I don't know if you noticed, that sun is baking me right now. Well, if you have a single piece of metal, that heat goes right through there into your bed. So if you got golf clothes in there, or you picked up groceries or whatever tools, it gets hot in there. Now, it's gonna get hot no matter what, let's be honest, but it's a difference between hot being on the surface of the sun. And having 4 layers does help moderate the temperature inside there. So when you're taking that milk home and you got your groceries, you don't have to worry about your milk baking on the way home. So I like that a lot. I think this looks good because it does sit in the bed. If you notice, it's a nice low profile cover. John, did you get around here pretty good? Now, of course, we also put the Tuxedo T-slot rails on here. Now, if you look at my truck over here, I have a T-slot rail, and I got the Elevate system on here, which I put all kinds of stuff. Now, also, if you see, I got the same tie down, so you can put this on here. You can put the tie downs on here. Now, the lower racks, I do not recommend because you don't have enough room to open the cover. But the higher ones, not a problem there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside here. Now, as you can see, we got the Bedrug XLT mat. I'm going to go over that in a second. But let's go back to the cover. Now, this cover does have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. By the way, that's the guy across the street, school zone. So you hear the whistling. So now what I like about this, you can open it from either side of the vehicle, and that's good if you have a lot of traffic on one side. You want to get it on the safer side of the vehicle, so that's a great way to go. Also, you can see the seal over here and the seal here. Now this cover, and not all covers come with this, does have a drainage system. So if a water gets past the seal, instead of going in the bed, it catches it and drains it out through the front and through the back here. And I'll show you where the drainage system is in the back. Also, you'll see how they're all clamped in here. All the hardware is black. By the way, these rails are new. They have updated them roughly about, not quite a year, about 6 months ago, they updated them. And the hardware now locks inside the rail. It holds it really good. So I like that a lot. So let's go here. Again, I'm gonna reach in here. I'm gonna release this. Now you can drive with this setup here. Basically, you're gonna take this here, and I don't know if you can see it from over there, John, but come over, swing over here. You're gonna lock it right in there. Now there's 2 of these, and you do want to secure both sides. This way, if you're on the highway, you don't have to worry about this opening while you're driving. Now, when it's not in use, you'll see that locks into place there. Now, of course, with the claim to fame for the Undercover ArmorFlex, it does have the 3rd fold. So now if you look here, there's a little clip here. I'm gonna take this off, put it right up in there. Now there's 2 of these, same thing. You always want to use both of these because if you're only using one side, the wind could push the other side and you don't want that. Now what's great about this, several great things. First of all, you have more room here. So if you want to go to Bike Week and you want to take that Harley Davidson in the back or an all-terrain vehicle, or you're just moving a couch, you have full access because other covers stop right here. So you really don't have full access like this one does. Also, when this is up, it has a really good feature of acting as a headache rack. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, it is a protector for the rear window. So if you have this up, that means you have something big back here. So if you're driving along on the highway and someone cuts you off and you hit your brakes and everything comes flying forward, well, instead of hitting your very expensive rear window where your family are in the back seat, it's it's going to hit this. This is a lot better at taking an impact. So this will protect the contents of the vehicle, which is more important. So, and again, very, very easy to open and close. Oh, before I close up, look here, you can see the drainage system. It is using the factory hole over there, so that's really good too. So let's go ahead and close it up. You can hear, now you do not have to slam this, by the way. You just close it normal here. Now when we get to the end, I do want to use the left and right side of this. Make sure it's secure. Now I showed you the rails, I showed you the cover. Now I'm going to show you the Bedrug. So let me open this back up for you so you can see. Now this is the Bedrug XLT. So what does that mean? Well, Bedrug comes 3 different ways. You can have it just in the middle of the bed. You can have it the middle bed with the tailgate, which is this one here, or you can have the bed, tailgate, and the sides. That's your classic. Now this gentleman does have a spray and liner, so he didn't really need the sides done because the sides don't get a lot of wear and tear. Where is all your wear and tear? Well, it's in the tailgate and it's in the middle here. This is where you're always throwing stuff in and out. And unlike people don't realize, Line-X is pretty strong stuff, but it can get worn down over time. This will protect that for you. So it looks good. It's going to give you a nice premium look. Most important thing, it's going to protect your bed. And it is padded, by the way. It has a nice padding on here. So if you have to get in there, your knees will appreciate that. Now, all the things I'm showing you today, I'm going to go ahead and put a link at the bottom of my YouTube video so you can see pricing on everything. Now, we can, of course, install it for you here, or we can ship it anywhere in the country. So you live in Hawaii, Portland, California, Texas, Puerto Rico, wherever it is, we can send it to you. No problem whatsoever. Oops. Sorry about that. Don't look at the license plate. There we go. I'm leaving the bloopers in. I don't care. I've been working too hard at this video. Again, we can ship it to you or come in here. We'll put it all on for you. So that's pretty much it. So before I forget, hit that like button. We appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.